I wish him all the best. Let them take over the entire country. Already they have taken. I thought that all the 224 are in touch with him. I don't know why he is bluffing, telling only 15 MLAs. If you take all the MLAs, you don't mind. Congress party is there with the courage together. Today I have come here for the first time after sitting the president of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee. It is a vibrant district. A district with a lot of knowledge, a lot of education, a lot of healthcare, a lot of important business, financial, holy place.
So, senior leader Janardhan Pujari will meet today.
Yes, he is my leader. Mr. Oscar Fund is Janardhan Pujari. I want to seek his blessings first.
Thank you.